In today's digital age, many individuals are looking for ways to make money online. Whether it be through freelancing, e-commerce, or online marketing, the opportunities are endless. However, among these options lies a hidden gem that has proven to be incredibly lucrative: affiliate marketing. If you're someone who wants to turn a small investment into a significant return and discover the secrets behind this epic case study of affiliate marketing success, then keep reading. Emotional objective: solving your financial woes. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom and having more control over your life? Affiliate marketing can provide you with the means to achieve these goals. By investing just $100 and implementing proven strategies in your affiliate marketing efforts, you have the potential to earn a whopping $1,000 return. Unique rationale: unveiling insider knowledge. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that anyone can do it with minimal investment and no prior experience required. This case study will reveal insider knowledge and strategies used by successful affiliates who have achieved extraordinary results. By following their footsteps and leveraging their expertise in this field, you too can unlock incredible earning potential. What you will get out of this article. By diving into this article on the proven strategies behind an epic affiliate marketing case study, you will gain insight into how even a small investment can yield substantial returns. You will discover effective techniques employed by successful affiliates. You will learn how to choose profitable niches that align with your interests. You will understand how to drive traffic effectively to maximize conversions. You will acquire tips on building trust with your audience for long-term success. How it works: a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choosing profitable niches. To start your affiliate marketing journey, it's crucial to select niches that have the potential for high demand and profitability. Research popular trends, analyze market competition, and identify areas where your expertise or interests lie. By focusing on niches that resonate with you and have a proven track record of success, you increase your chances of generating significant income. Step 2. Building an engaging website. A well-designed website is essential for establishing credibility and attracting potential customers. Invest time in creating informative content that provides value to your target audience. Incorporate relevant keywords strategically to improve search engine optimization (SEO). Additionally, ensure your website is user-friendly with clear navigation and compelling calls to action. Step 3. Driving targeted traffic. To convert visitors into buyers, you need to drive targeted traffic to your website. Utilize various digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization (SEO), social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising campaigns. Experiment with different channels to determine which ones yield the highest conversion rates for your niche. Step 4. Promoting relevant affiliate products. Once you have established a steady flow of traffic to your website, it's time to promote relevant affiliate products or services within your niche. Choose reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and align with the needs of your audience. Craft persuasive product reviews or comparisons that highlight the benefits and address any concerns potential buyers may have. Step 5. Building trust through authenticity. Building trust is paramount in affiliate marketing as it encourages repeat purchases from loyal customers while attracting new ones through positive recommendations. Be authentic in all aspects of your online presence, from engaging honestly with followers on social media platforms to providing unbiased product reviews based on personal experiences. Conclusion. In conclusion, this case study highlights how a $100 investment can result in a remarkable $1,000 return through effective affiliate marketing strategies. By choosing profitable niches aligned with their interests, building engaging websites, driving targeted traffic, promoting relevant affiliate products, and building trust through authenticity, affiliates can unlock immense earning potential. Don't let financial struggles hold you back. Embrace the power of affiliate marketing and transform your life today. Start small, invest wisely, and implement proven strategies to achieve remarkable results. Your journey towards financial freedom starts now.